Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube episode. And on today's YouTube episode, that's right, I got this right here from Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight has a lot of good tools and all that, and it having some really good tools and all, which by the way, this is a really good tool from Harbor Freight for cutting, which we'll be using in a moment. And it has this screwdriver thing and the flathead, and then it has this, and then it has this right here for opening and closing, for clipping your keys or whatever, and gripping, and it even has a safety thing. But that's not why we're here today. Today we're here to talk about the US General 5-outlet heavy-duty power strip with 2 USB ports. Mind you, it's rapid charge because it is 4.1 rapid charge USB, compatible with your tablets and cell phones. And I got the blue, and also it has an 8 feet grounded power cord with built-in wrap, 2 super power magnets with combined pull of 19 pounds for secure storage on your tool chest. 2 rapid charge 4.1 USB provides amp outlets and 5 electrical outlets. Lighted on and off switch with integrated circuit breaker. Mounting hose for pavement installation. Rated voltage is 125, max amperage is 15, max watts is 1,875, magnetic pull force is 19 pounds, and yeah, so let's get unboxing. And in the box we get nothing. I thought it would at least come with instructions or something. I guess not. Put that to the side, and here it is in all its glory. The rapid charging USB ports. Oh yeah, and it has this, and I'll show you why. There's one on the other side also. That way you could do this. You could wrap the cable around like this whenever if you don't need that much length, because you have your outlet thing close by. You could wrap it up just like that, and then it has this thing so you can hang it on right there, just like that. And here's your on and off switch. Reset also, reset and off. Your 5 outlets, the light. Oh, back here you got it's rubber, but also it's the magnet. And that's it. Oh yeah, and then over here you got the thing for hooking it onto the wall, to any type of wall. And well, I guess that's about it. There's really not much to talk about, but that's it for today's YouTube episode, guys. And I'll be soon making other YouTube episodes coming soon, so go like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll be seeing you on my next YouTube episodes. Bye.